Hello there, my friends. I'm Pittsburgh Pat, and I've got these Tozo earbuds. They're wireless, and I'm going to show you the controls. So NC20s, these are great earbuds, by the way. They have a noise canceling feature, which is pretty cool. So in order to activate the noise canceling feature, what you need to do is tap on the left one, right? And so you tap it and just hold. And so if you tap and hold once, you go into noise canceling mode. If you tap it and hold it again, it'll go into transparency mode. So basically what it has a microphone on the outside, and it'll allow you to hear sounds in transparency mode. So if you're walking down the street, it's good not to have it on noise canceling mode if there's traffic and that sort of thing. But if you're trying to fall asleep, or if you're on an airplane or something and you want more noise canceling mode. So you have those two modes. And there's also like a third mode, which is adaptive. So if there are loud sounds, it will close the microphone and protect your hearing. So that's pretty cool. Another thing you can do if you want to go to the previous track, you double tap. And if you want to go to the next track, you double tap on the right. So left double tap is previous track, right double tap is the next track. And then for volume, it's just press and hold, and that will reduce the volume. And if you go on the right one and press and hold, it will increase the volume. See how the volume's going up there? And here, volume's going down. Yep. Let's see, what else can you do? If you're having a phone call and there's you're listening to music and the phone rings, you can tap either the left or the right once in order to answer the call. If you want to reject it, you can tap either one or the other, not both, but one or the other, and hold it for 2 seconds, and it will reject the call. So be careful of that. If you don't want to answer the call, just hold on to it. Tap and hold. And then if you want to cancel an outgoing call, like you called somebody and you just want to hang up, then you do the same thing. You press left for 2 seconds, or you press right for 2 seconds. And if you want to use like Siri or a voice assistant, like Alexa, then what you do is you press, whoops, see, it heard me. You press and hold this for 3 seconds. And then it should come up. Siri. Anyway, yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, that's not true. You triple tap it, so you go 1, 2, 3. And that should bring it up. 1, 2, 3. Alexa. Oh, it brought up the AI assistant. Aha, see? Okay, so that's Gemini, I guess. Or on the iPhone, actually, it's Siri. Okay. All right, so basically that's it. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments. And yeah, I hope you enjoy these earbuds. I really like these earbuds. I'll do a full review of like the quality of the sound and everything. But that's how you control them. If this video helped you, go ahead and press like, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.